Well, I'm real fortunate to have learned from Sonny Chillingworth. He was kind and patient enough to teach me Kihoalu, and then I've always kept that in mind, and I try to perpetuate the tradition.
Ozzy Kotani has dedicated himself to perpetuating the art of slack key. He's teaching it now at the University of Hawaii. Sit back and relax as we listen to his unique style of classical slack.
Mahalo nui loa. Thank you. Thank you very much.
At Waimea Valley, the home of Waimea Falls Park, we're preserving Hawaii's heritage and beauty. Come, spend a day with us.
One time at the market, my partner, she's way up on the ladder, hanging a pair of slippers above the front door. Myra, you're gonna break your neck. Pair of slippers, she says, to remind us to put ourselves in our customers' shoes. Then we'll know what they want, we'll know how well we're doing, and what more we can do. Now, those slippers, they say to me, Harry, put yourself in your customers' shoes.
It takes quality service to be your bank. Bank of Hawaii, Hawaii's bank.
When we took our first Neighbor Island case 5 years ago, we came away with more than just a fair judgment for our client. We found that Neighbor Islanders were sincere, kept their appointments, returned phone calls promptly, and expected others to do likewise. It was a pleasure helping our neighbors, and we always seemed to come back with something special.
If you've been victimized in an accident, call Ian Maddock for a free consultation.
Go back to class with class. Go back to class for less. Eager to learn Kihoalu, a young Raymond Kane would trade the fish that he caught for lessons. Well, those lessons have obviously paid off because he has since evolved into the ambassador of Hawaiian Kihoalu. Let's enjoy now the sweet nahi-nahi sounds of Raymond Kane.
Ikapo me ke